Alright guys, so Steven has taken me to my car to see the final result, and I cannot wait to see what this looks like. Hello everyone, and welcome back to Brink of Speed. Today I am really excited because I'm about to have something done to this C8 Corvette that only one other Corvette in the entire world has had done to. And the other Corvette that had this done actually had a prototype of what I'm about to have done. And I'm having the first actual real deal done on mine. It's not a prototype. So I'm not going to tell you what it is yet. I want to surprise you guys. It is something that is really, really cool. And let's just say this, it's going to add a lot to my theme that I already have going with this C8 Corvette. So anyway, if you have not smashed that thumbs up button, please do so. That helps push this video out on YouTube and help support the channel. And if you have not joined this wonderful Brink of Speed community, please hit that red subscribe and the bell for notifications when new videos are uploaded. Also, if you'd like to help support the Brink of Speed community in another way, you can go check out my merch store. In the description below there will be a link, and in the first pinned comment there will be a link. Plus, as you're seeing here, there is a link on my front page of YouTube. If you're on a computer, you can click on that and check out all the merchandise that we have on the store. So anyway, let's not waste any more time and let's get started on the video. All right, so we're pulling up here to WindRestrictor. That's the name of the company. So ladies and gentlemen, this is WindRestrictor. This is a really cool company that creates wind visors or pieces of glass to go in convertibles, as you can see here. And they put murals on them and light them up. Really, really cool deals. And they do it for multiple manufacturers, as you can see. This is one of the coolest ones right here. So I'll show you a little bit of what they've done. Crossfire SRT6. There's a C8 Corvette. And this is the owner, Steven. And just want to ask him to let you guys know exactly what he does here at WindRestrictor.
Yeah. Absolutely. So thanks, Michael, for letting us use your vehicle. We opened the shop just for you today.
I appreciate it, man.
Anyway, so we are licensed by General Motors,
Okay.
Mopar, and Ford Motor Company, and we do make this for over 50 vehicles. We cut our teeth on convertibles. 2007 is when we founded the business. My little brother founded the business. He basically came up with a product for his vehicle, a Mercedes. He wasn't happy with what was on the market.
Sure.
He incorporated illumination, laser engraving, stuff like that. And since then, it's went from one vehicle to over 50. We've sold it to over 50 countries. This is our third facility.
Wow.
In Dallas. We outgrew all the other facilities.
Awesome.
We have a team of about 12,
Okay.
I believe. We manufacture everything in-house.
Awesome.
From the glass cutting, the bending, the flame polishing, the assembly, the lasering, and all that stuff. It's I guess a pretty big facility, but mainly we're an internet company.
Sure.
So we ship it right to your door.
Awesome.
For a simple installation. Generally takes anywhere from a half hour to an hour and a half to install. We provide videos and step-by-step instructions.
Oh, okay.
It's basically a laser engraved illuminated glass panel that will fit in various vehicles with different bracket connections. So they're all going to be different shapes and sizes and custom built from
Sure.
our engineer. and it does reduce about 50%, 50 or 60% of turbulence in convertibles.
Okay.
Targa tops. It also
That's important.
blocks a considerable amount of wind. Cuts down on wind noise also, so you can hear your passenger better, carry on a conversation going down the highway, hear your stereo better. The C8s mainly, it's going to be a styling product, a styling mod, because we already have the back window there that covers everything. So
Right.
It's just going to be just tailor fit right along the little gasket seal there, and you can have any graphics you want put on it. We have rush orders anywhere from get them out the same day to about a week. If you work with our custom graphics, it's usually a few days more. Custom graphic artist. But again, everything is built right here in Dallas, Texas, and we
love it, man.
Ship it right to your door.
It's so awesome.
We love, the customers. We treat them right, and that's how we've built our company. Treating people with respect and honest and integrity. And they tell all their friends about us, and we reach out to people like you, influencers, to help get the word out.
Heck yeah, man.
Yep, and we do have several dealers that you'll see online, but they're all authorized by us, and it all comes from us.
Okay.
So
guys, I'm going to link their contact info in the description below. And also, obviously, I don't have a convertible, so this is something that they're doing. And correct me if I'm wrong, but this is the first of its kind. You've already done a prototype on a C8.
On a C8, this is the first one off the production line.
Off the production line. So
And it is
I can't wait to show you guys what this is. As I said in the beginning of the video, this is something that goes along with the theme of my car already. And man, it just pushes it over the top, and you'll see when I show you.
Right. So if you guys have an idea and you can't get the graphics together, we have a graphic artist that'll help you, just like we did with Michael. And
yeah, they help me
You
out.
approve it, and you can't wait to see it.
I can't wait to show you guys this, and I really want to thank Steven for giving me the opportunity to actually have this done on my car, and I think you guys are going to love it. All right, guys, so Steven has taken me to my car to see the final result, and I cannot wait to see what this looks like. You guys ready? And we gotta zoom in on this because it's not really coming out on camera. There we go. Check it out, guys. Look at that beautiful, yes, that is actually. Look at that beautiful mural of Captain America. They did an excellent job with the graphics. And right now there's a white light behind it, but I think we're gonna go with a multicolor light. So that will be changed out in the near future. It comes with a remote control.
Yeah. Brightness, intensity control.
Oh, wow.
Even a little animation effect.
Nice.
If you're at a show or something.
Yeah.
Want to go crazy with it.
Yeah, that is so cool. I don't know if this camera's doing it justice, but what I'll do is I'll get you guys some footage of nighttime.
Right on.
And that way you guys can really see this perfectly. But I'm super excited. I cannot wait to show you what it looks like at night. And I also haven't seen it at night yet, so it'll be both of us seeing it for the first time. So ladies and gentlemen, I know you're gonna be able to tell the excitement on my face. Man, that is awesome. And you can see it behind me. But I can't wait to show you guys what it looks like in the, actual dark. So I'll get video later on tonight. But what a great guy, what a great company. They've been doing business for, 13 years? And they've got 7 patents. And they are just cranking these things out. He said COVID did not hurt them, it actually helped them. They're up 20% in their business. And like I said, what a great guy. Steven and everybody there was just so happy to have me and happy to, do this for me. I got to give them a huge shout out. By the way, they go to Carlisle, they go to the National Corvette Museum. They have 4 main events that they go to every year. I can't remember the other 2, but they do some big events. But they've been at Carlisle for like 10 plus years every single year. And so they're a local company, make everything here. So if you live in the DFW, you know, it'll be a piece of cake to get this kind of thing done for your car. But even if you live anywhere in the United States or throughout, I think they ship across the seas, you can contact them. Again, I'm going to put all the stuff in the description down below. Contact them, order what you want to order. They give you instructions of how to install the stuff, and it just looks awesome. And here pretty soon I'll have the multi-lights back there. So here pretty soon I will show you what this looks like at night, and I can't wait to show you. Oh, that is bright. And as you can see, it's lighting up my rear engine area. So once I get the cover on that I'm going to get on there, then I won't even need the LEDs up there, because this LED is going to light it all up. You can even see it clearly through the other back window. It's really, really cool. Look how bright that is. Ladies and gentlemen, again, as you can see, it is so cool. I can't wait to get the different colors in there, but it looks great even with just the regular white light. And so anyway, again, I want to thank Steven and his company for doing this for me. What a great job they did. What an awesome mural it is. If you guys enjoyed this video, give me a big thumbs up. Give Steven a big thumbs up. And if you have not joined this wonderful Brink of Speed community, make sure you smash that red subscribe and the bell for notifications when my new videos come out. And guys, leave me a comment down below and let me know if you like the graphics, if you think they look great. Let me know what you think about them. I think they look phenomenal. So that's gonna do it. I hope each and every one of you has a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you out on the road.